Hi to all of my dear watchers, how are you? What's up? In this video, I will prepare you a basic of the transmitter tools with at first introduction, then solve and repair, then actually solve and repair, and if any tip, any relevant tip available will available about this, I will tell that to you. So here we go. I use the toy transmitter Transceiver if I can. Start to you from the basic. Firstly, we had to its relevant circuit a plastic on the speaker because filtering sound because this act like sound filter. And here we go to the explaining. This is supply 4.5 volt supply to the circuit. As you can see, 3 AA batteries. That is 3 AA batteries. The relevant resistors depended on the speaker, depended of the voltage, depended of the power of the signal that will emit from this relevant antenna. And heart of the circuit is these transistors. Also, of course, we have circuits that transceiver circuits that not work with the transistors, rather work with the relevant boards and ICs. But these transceiver have transistor also relevant, its relevant ICs that I will introduce you and tell you why of every single of these components here. These are capacitors for the filtering and creating RC, LC. As you can see here, we have inductor, LC, RC, and any circuit relevant to this circuit. Because here we have resistors and inductors, we have RL, RC, LC, and any relevant to this is circuit or meter watchers. Also, these components choosed for the circuit with correctly and clearly and exact. This circuit is created exactly. Some of this circuit is exactly created by the mathematical calculations of my dear watchers. Exactly to we have for example, this is 2.4 megahertz emitter and also receiver circuit, oh my dear watchers. Go ahead, here you are. I am bringing here a suitable light so I can better explain you. Let me a little time. This LED light is kidding me. Okay, I put it on myself. See, these are capacitors of the circuit. Why on this circuit we have capacitor? Because inductor, resistance, and capacitor create at last three methods of circuits that relevant to our aims, oh my dear watchers. Capacitors filter and clear the any signal like image, video, image, and here, because this is not wired circuit. Here we have transistors, resistance, and capacitors, oh my dear watchers. If you saw capacitors, when capacitors using in the after diode bridge of the after AC voltage of the city power lines, the capacitor is rectifying and lowering the ripple of the other side of the diode bridge, or other side of the our diode bridge, oh my dear watchers. And capacitors here is doing like that work, and doing a work that is like that I'm explained you 1 minute ago. So when you're pushing this button, the signal create from this, and your sound is recording by circuit that is another side of this circuit. Let me try opening this for you. As you can see, here we have microphone 2, that is capacitor microphone. And then we have here transistors. Transistors is like heart of any electronic based circuits for different properties and different purposes. Transistors here is switching, boosting the emitted sound, and also turning our circuit to the transceiver, to sound based transceiver at last circuit, oh my dear watchers. And then we have ICs here. ICs create relevant to this circuit is pulses in need, relevant to need of the circuit is square wave generator, and acts and works and emits square wave based waves, oh my dear watchers. And then also we have here inductors, different 2-3 types inductors. Inductors works like these capacitors, just with difference that is that these inductors store and gain, and with storing and half of the emitting of these inductors, and also these inductors that I said to, that I told to you, create with other electronic components, RC, LC, different and many different filter for the better emitting and more clearly emitting our sound by the transceiver, by the different transceivers. This is basic transceiver circuit that I used to you, to you can easily and better know work of these transceivers. This is at last circuit of the many transceivers created till now's circuit, oh my dear watchers. And then with emitting, to the emit these generated things from the from the merge of these circuitous components, and sending the relevant informations and pulses and sounds that he is cleared, and more better sound signals at last to these mini speaker. And this plastic object here is helping to filter and reduce the noise and receiving received sounds and signals that is received from the other circuit, that is receiver. And because to this speaker can emit to us better sounds, better, more cleared sounds. I mean, my purpose was, of course, I can put a 3 AA batteries to this circuit to I test this circuit for you. But unfortunately, I lost other side of this circuit, unfortunately. But I hope you gained enough information to you can repair and know at last know correctly and for enough working, and how that is how this circuit works. And if this circuit had any problem, you could be able to repair this circuit correctly, oh my dear watchers. At last, thanks for watching. I hope you know fully this video's content. If this video was turned to useful for the video to you, please like, share, use, comment, and subscribe, for I can turn these channels contents to better contents over time. I need your help. Anyway, thank you.